What is this today? This is Thursday, 16th of September, and a rainy day outside. Yes. See outside, how is the day? Yes, this is not sunny. Cloud has hidden the sun behind it. Yes. So dear all, before the start our day, let's thanks our God to give us this beautiful day. Yes, this beautiful morning. So, how will we thank our God? You all know. So, let's sing with me. Thank you, God, for world so sweet. Thank you, God, for food we eat. Thank you, God, for birds that sing. Thank you, God, for everything. Thank you, God, for words so sweet. Thank you, God, for food we eat. Thank you, God, for birds that sing. Thank you, God, for everything. Yes, dear all. And this is a long time I did not make it fun. So let's have warm-up activity. So what is our warm-up song? Do you all know? Yes, let's sing it together with me. Stand up and start. Clap your hands, clap your hands. Listen to the music, listen to the music and clap your hands. Clap your hands, clap your hands. Listen to the music, listen to the music and clap your hands. Jump up high, jump up high. Listen to the music, listen to the music and jump up high. Jump up high, jump up high. Listen to the music, listen to the music and jump up high. Twist your shoulder, twist your shoulder. Listen to the music, listen to the music and twist your shoulder. Blink your eyes, blink your eyes. Listen to the music, listen to the music and blink your eyes. Stamp your feet, stamp your feet. Listen to the music, listen to the music and stamp your feet. Jump up high, jump up high. Listen to the music, listen to the music and jump up high. Have fun? Yes. Now clap. Yay! It's nice now. Now let's start the class. So today I am going to teach you backward counting. What? Backward counting. So you all know how is backward. Yesterday we learned counting 100 to 200. Yes, 100, 100, 1 to 200. Now today we are going to write backward counting from 100 to 1. Okay, because this is backward, so this will begin from 100 and this will come on 1. Okay, so let's see how I am writing it. So this will be start from 100. So because 100, H for 100, T for tens and O for ones over here. So I mentioned that and we'll start the thing. Okay. So because this is backward counting, this will begin from 100, then 99, then 98, then 97. So the before number will come in it. Okay. One by one we will go before number. Okay. Because this is before number, this will be helpful to write before numbers. Okay. So read it, count it, speak loudly whenever you write it. So write with speak loudly. Okay. So let's do it. 100. 99. So let's start. 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93, 92, 91. Okay, 91, because this is 91. This is the last number of row. We will go here. Before 91 it comes 90. 90, then 89, 88, 87, 86, 85, 84, 83, 82, 81. Okay, this row has completed. Now come on the next row. So before 81 it comes 80, 79, 78, 77, 76, 75, 74, 73, 72 and 71. Before 71 it comes 70, 70, 69. Before 7 it comes 6. Before 10 it comes 9. So this will be 69, 68, 67. We are writing before numbers. Okay, so before. What will come before it? Before 7 it will come 6. Before 6 it will come. This is the row of 6. So this will be the same. 67. Before 67 it will come 66. Before 66 it will come 65, 64, 63, 62, 61. Before 61 it will come 60, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52 and 51. Before 51 it will come 50, 50. Before 50 it will come 49, 48, 47, 46, 45. You're listening now? 45, 44, 43, 42 and 41. Okay, before 41 it will come 40, 40. Before 41 it will come 40, 30, none. Before 40 it will come 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31. Before 31 it will come 30. Before 30 it will come 29. Okay. 29, 28. Rest are easy. 28, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21. Okay, then it will come 20. Before 21 it will come 20, then 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12 and 11. Before 11 it will come 10, So 10 become 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, very easy. If you will practice it, you will learn it very soon. Okay, so practice daily so that you will come to know what comes before. You will be expert in tell me what is before number. Yes, I will ask like what comes before 47? 46. 46. What comes before 46? What comes before 67? 66. What comes before 43? 42. So, this is like what I will